Kibuna ya kuchaji magari na ya hapo isongesha kwa hiyo
okay. Hello. I want to address the issue of capitation, and first I want to thank the Minister for Education, the Cabinet Secretary for Education, because at the close of last term, where the situation was very needy, he was able to ensure that we got the second tranche of capitation, and this saved the school from early closure. We also want to maybe remind the Treasury that the capitation, as per the last circular to schools, is supposed to be 22,244, and that is the circular in force. As at this year, last term, we are supposed to receive 50% of 22,244, which is 11,122. But then we did not receive that money in totality because we received 8,319, leaving a deficit of 2,803 per learner. And we have been asking the Minister for Education to ensure that the 2,800 would be in school by the time we open, so that we can be able to settle the arrears we had, we can be able to pay the creditors, we can be able to pay salaries for last term, so that as we commence this term, maybe we can be a bit free of debts and we can be able to manage the capitation for this term with the issues of this term. This is a very busy term because we have the curricular activities. It's a very long term.